This week's elevator works similarly to last week's, however, now we have a queue. As you can see on the lights, each button you press will form a queue and it will go to each floor depending on which order you press them. As you can see, once the stepper motor stops, the door will open and close, then go to the next floor. The parts for this week are similar, as you have the elevator and the floor buttons. The servo will open and close the door once the stepper motor has stopped. The lights will show the queue, which will go off once the stepper motor has reached its floor. Finally, the stepper motor will lift or lower the elevator to its designated floor.
So this is our code walk for the week 3 elevator. It starts with the setup where we include everything that we're going to be using, including our new J counter and our new time variable there. We also started including arrays in our code. So we have int FBP, EFBP, and FList, which we're going to be using. So then we're going to move to the code itself, where most of the actual differences are. As you can see, we're using the FList command now to get the list, and then we're going to be using the list to read which pins are on and move to that pin. So it reads I equals 1, moves to that pin. We have a very small variable here just because we were testing it, but it should be a larger number. Then it sets the I on the list to 0. It turns the light off. It closes the door, or it opens the door and then waits 2 seconds and closes it. That can also be changed. And then it looks at the list again. And then here is the list itself, where the time is equal to milliseconds, and while the time is under 3 seconds, it uses this counter here to check every floor, and while checking every floor, it also adjusts the list array at the very top of the screen. It also turns the lights on, sets the list to 1, shows the lights, and when all of that's done, it does it for the floors. So we basically combined our elevators and our floors into one piece of code here in the loop by using this helper code to read the elevators and floors and adjust them accordingly. That also allows for there to be a queue for our elevator